Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the owner of CCV Craft. Today I'll be showing us how to make this lovely design. This design, I love this design because it's so simple to make. And you just need patience. When you're patient, you will do it. And the material I'll be using today, I have my size 2 seed bead, the blue one here, and I'm using fishing line 0.35 and 1/4. To start this design, I'll pick one seed bead, then I'll tie it. This will serve as my stop bead. So this is it. And at this point, in your picking, you decide how many you want to pick. You can decide to pick 10, 15, 12, name it. But for the sake of this tutorial today, I'm going to pick 20. Then let's go. I'll pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So at this point you have this. Then what you do next is this. You skip the first bead here. You skip this and pass through these two. Pass through these two. And you have something like this. Then you pick another 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then you do the same thing. This is it. Remember, you skip this first one here. You skip the last one you picked and pass through the next two. This is your shape now. This is the shape. Then I'll do the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is it. Then you skip this first one. You skip the first one here and pass through these two here. So continue like this until you get to the length you want it. Then you attach the both ends to your hook. You attach it. Make as many as you can. In your design, you come out with a perfect design. Please, if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you next time. Bye.